Hey guys, so today I thought I would come back on and film a summer shoe haul because I have been doing a little bit of shoe shopping. I feel like I've become shoe obsessed the last few weeks and I'm not entirely sure why. And there's been a lot of sales on, so I bought 5 new pairs of shoes and I thought I want to show them to you. I bought all of them online actually. So I'm not entirely sure whether I'll be keeping all of them because some of them don't fit quite right. I'm going to show them to you because I love the style of them all, even if my wonky, cronky old feet don't fit into them. So I'll show you what I got. I also wanted to apologise for the crazy lighting. Like, I'm not filming at my usual time of day. It's about 5:30 right now, but I've had one of those days with the little one where she has not wanted to cooperate with my timings and I have had to schedule myself around her, so it's all a bit mental and up in the air. So I'm hoping you can see me and it's looking all right and it's not too patchy and this crazy light that hits this hand. It's also super hot, so if I get a sweaty lip at any point, please do forgive me because it is hotter than the sun in this room. So I'm going to start off with a couple of pairs that I bought from the Kurt Geiger website. These are actually not Kurt Geiger. There's they're actually all from Carvela, which is like owned by Kurt Geiger. It's one of their brands, but they're from the KG website, like in their sale. I actually spotted these are the nude ones, but I spotted the black ones of these in the Liberty sale a couple of weeks ago and they actually didn't have my size and I was like, oh no worries, like I'll just look online, and I found them online in both black and nude. So they were reduced from, I think they were like 100, I feel like they were £140, reduced to 49. So it's a really good price and I just absolutely love them. I think they look really premium. I'm just taking all the tissue out. These are the shoes. They have that like thick stack heel which is really comfortable. They're very similar to my Alexander Wang, are they called the Abbey sandals that I wear literally all the time, and I wanted to buy some more Alexander Wang ones in nude, but they don't make them this season or the last couple of seasons. I can't get them. They have made them in the past but they're sold out everywhere in my size. So yeah, I thought these would be a good alternative and they're really gorgeous. The only problem is this, I've got quite a wide foot, like you know where your toes meet the foot bit. I've got a really wide foot there and these end just where that hits on me, so I feel like it looks like my foot is like sticking out of the side. I don't know whether they would stretch, but they are suede, so I feel like they probably would. I'm kind of undecided on whether to keep them based on how they fit me, but I just love the design so much and I think they're a really good price. They look very expensive and they weren't very expensive, so that's always what I'm looking for in shoes basically. They're just really lovely. I really like them, so I got those in nude and I also bought them in black, and when I last checked on the website they still had loads of sizes left, so if you want to go and buy them, if you don't have wide feet like me, then I definitely would recommend checking out their website. I'll link everything below anyway, but there's a really good sale on the KG website at the moment. So these are the black ones. I think I actually do prefer the black ones a little bit to the nude ones. They just look really gorgeous with the black and the gold. This is actually really heavy as well, I should mention. I just think they're so lovely. For like under £50, I think that is like a really beautiful shoe. So yeah, that's the other one. I'm still undecided about how they fit. I'm going to try them on and like walk around my bedroom a bit and then make the decision, but those were the first 2 I bought. And then I also got another pair that I had seen in person, but I'd actually seen the black ones and I wanted the black ones, but they were not anywhere on the website or online. But I did spot these ones, which are in a kind of sky blue grey kind of colour. They're very similar to that Gucci crossover style that was really popular last year, 2 years ago, in terms of like construction, but they have like that frayed detail on the edge. So they're made out of like a sky blue kind of steely grey kind of colour, suede, and then they have this like fabric trim around them. They're again that stack heel. It's not too high, like still walkable, but still kind of high at the same time, like it's going to add height. I really like these. I think they look really nice with jeans. These were reduced, I can't remember how much they were originally, I think probably about 100, but they're reduced to £30, so I thought that was a really good price, and these ones fit like a dream, absolutely perfectly. So I'm definitely going to be keeping those. Super nice. But like I said, I would have loved them in black, but they didn't have the black ones left, sadly. And then the other ones, I actually made an order. Oh, this is also not just a shoe haul. I'm going to be showing you a couple of other things too, because I ordered some other things whilst I was ordering shoes. I ordered a couple of things from the Outnet, and I never shop at the Outnet. I always look, but I rarely ever buy anything on the Outnet. But I found these espadrilles from a brand called Paloma Barcelo. It's a Spanish brand, I believe. The espadrilles are Spanish shoes. The reason why I was so drawn to these, they're very, very similar to a pair of Chanel espadrilles that I saw in the airport a few months ago. I wanted to try them on. Like, I'm always of the feeling that Chanel espadrilles are probably not worth the money, because espadrilles are very kind of delicate shoes. They get dirty, they get worn out very quickly. And they're very expensive, but they were so beautiful. I wanted to try them on. They didn't have my size. I've seen them a couple of times since, and they've never had my size, and I wouldn't buy them outside of Heathrow, because they are, I think they were like 600 and something out of Heathrow, and they were 400 and something in Heathrow. So if that makes, they were probably £600 and then like 499 something. Is that right? 480, they'd be about 480. Anyway, they're 20% off in Heathrow. But I found these, which are very, very similar. Like, the side is almost identical, so they're like a raffia woven design. They have the gaps in front, so you can actually see your foot through them. So I ordered these are reduced from about £250 to 120, so there was still a lot for espadrilles. But they came, and I ordered my size, and they came and they are way too small. Like, I can get them on, but they are so tight. And espadrilles do stretch, but I don't think they're going to stretch this much. Like, it's to the point where my toes are like squished at the front. They are really tight over here. Like, even if I could break them in, I would be in a lot of pain breaking them in. So I just don't personally think it's worth it, and I probably needed a size 6 instead of a size 5. And I'm going to send them back, sadly, and they don't have any size 6s left. I'm so sad. But, I mean, once I've sent these back, they might have these ones back on the website if you want them. I just think they're so nice. I was absolutely gutted, and I can't find them anywhere else online either. So those are going back, but very sadly, because I did really, really want them, but they don't fit my feet. And then the last pair of summer shoes that I've bought are some new Supergas. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, or if you do follow me on Instagram, you might have noticed that I wear my Supergas all the time, to the point where they've got absolutely filthy, and I washed them and they went a weird, funny kind of, the dirt came off, but where the dirt was went a bit weird and yellow, like stained. Anyway, I went for these ones. I actually got the rose gold studs on here. I got them directly from their website. They came really quickly, actually. And I've never seen these before with the rose gold. Normally these are silver, so they're slightly different to my other ones. And yes, so fresh, freaky fresh. Yay, love, love, love white Supergas. They're also doing some kind of pop-up on Carnaby Street this week, where you can get bees embroidered on them, and I'm not in London this week. It's like the one week I'm not going to London. I'm so gutted, because I really, really, really want some. But yeah, sad times. I really want the bee. They posted it on their Instagram. My friend sent it to me. I was like, I want the bee ones. But these are more classic. They'll go with more. Anyway, so yeah, new Supergas. And then I also ordered a couple of other things as well, which I wanted to mention to you guys because I thought they were very good sale finds. Not necessarily bargains, because they're still quite pricey, but the first thing is this shirt. It's a silk shirt from Equipment. It's actually from the Equipment collaboration with Kate Moss from, I believe it was last year, it might have been the year before. This was ordered from the Outnet with those espadrilles. I got a size small. It's a beautiful like satin silk, looks like a pajama top. The sleeves are a little bit cropped. It's just really gorgeous, absolutely love it. And I had my eye on it when it was full price, but they're like, I think they're about £300, and then this was 96, and then I think I got an extra 20% off, so it was around £80 mark. And yeah, I'm super happy with that, absolutely love it. And then I also ordered a couple of bikinis from Fig Leaves, and I am absolutely obsessed with this first one. I need to like do it up because it's just come out of the wash, but it's a very similar print to some of the designs that Mara Hoffman did a couple of years ago, when Mara Hoffman's designs were mainly like geometric, really colourful. That was when I absolutely loved her stuff, but her stuff is so expensive. I wouldn't normally spend a lot of money on buying a bikini like that. And now she doesn't do the designs either. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, 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 I need it. It's quite hard to like show you on, but it's basically a bra cut bikini top, but it has these two panels at the front that cross over. It's like a wrap, so they cross over and then these bits go down and you can tie it at the back. It fits so well. It's from Fig Leave's own collection, so they're very much like, they do bra size bikinis. It's not like small, medium, large, so it's really supportive. It's underwired, it's a really nice shape, and I just adore the print. It is so gorgeous, and it's also on sale, so I can't remember from what to what. I know the bikini bottoms are about £11. I think the top is about 16, something like that. So it's actually, for the quality that you're getting, is a really good value. And then I got the tie side bikini bottoms, which look like that. I always find that having that tie on the side is a flattering kind of look in terms of like for your body. But yeah, so they're the bottoms, and yeah, love that. And I actually got the same bikini as well in black, which I'm not gonna need to show you in huge detail because it's exactly the same. Like, it has the weird panels that are hanging down. And so yeah, there's the black top, and then the tie side bottoms are actually different, which I was really sad about because I really liked the other ones. So these bottoms are like a string bikini, which is fine, but I really liked the like wider tie side on the like geometric print ones. So yeah, very excited about those. And I have actually been on my summer holiday, but I've just booked to go away with my sister in a couple of weeks time, so they're definitely gonna get lots of views anyway, even though I've already been on my main family summer holiday. So yes, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're a shoeaholic like me, this light is creeping in. I'm gonna go and make some dinner now, and I will see you very soon. Bye!